Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited to be back. I am so excited, and I'm sorry guys for disappearing on you for 2 weeks. I'm so sorry. Life happens, things happen, but I am back. And I am back with a very nice recipe. In this heat which we are experiencing right now, I'm sure we'll all appreciate something cooling, something very nice. And as you've seen from the title of the video, we are making an Oreo vanilla milkshake. Yeah, so it is one of the simplest recipes you can make, but you must follow the steps, because the steps determine your outcome, whether it is runny, whether it is held together, whether it is creamy. So stay with me to the end of the video and see how I combine mine, and that it comes out as perfect, just like you would have it in a restaurant, and you can share it with your family. You can make it for yourself, you can make it for your guests, and everyone who comes to your way when you have all the ingredients which I'm about to introduce to you in your house. Thank you so much for being here, and you're most welcome. So for our ingredients today, we are going to be having ice cream. I've chosen vanilla ice cream, and by the way, in this channel we've also made our own ice cream in the previous videos. Please check it out. This is fresh milk. I'm going to need some from this. I'll measure it out. And then we have the star of the day, which is Oreo. Then I also have some vanilla extract or essence. And of course I have my spoons for scooping this out. And then I have a piece of a small chocolate, which I will show you the point where you use it. I also have sugar, which I will add because this milk is unsweetened, and when I put in unsweetened milk into the shake without sugaring it or sweetening it, it will dilute the flavor coming from the vanilla ice cream. So that's the purpose for the sugar. So let's get into the preparation. And of course we have this master in equipment for today, which is a blender. If you have a blender, you're good to go, because it is going to do all the work for us. So the steps are very simple, as I'm going to show you. Very simple, you'll be shocked. So I'll take in 3 Oreos just like they are, and put them in the blender. Then I will follow with measuring a 3/4 cup of milk and pour inside. How do I pour without pouring? Want to go like that. Then I will put in my sugar. This was 1 tablespoon, like that. And then I will blend it. It looks good. It is at that point we are going to add our ice cream. This is how you scoop. You're going to have 3 generous scoops. 1, 2, and finally 3. Okay, a small tablespoon of vanilla. That's it is. I will dash in a small piece of chocolate, and then we wait for the other. So that will hold on.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the vibe. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass.
Hey, the moment has come. Let me just go straight. This thing will melt away. I was trying to do a photo, I was trying to take the final video, and I'm just seeing my ice cream melting away. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Java, see you no more. CJs, see you no more. This is nice, guys. I know you can fix this at home. Get some Oreos, do ice cream. You can use a small jar, glass. It doesn't have to be this big, so that the quantities also are not consumed as much. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I love you. You are highly treasured. God bless you. See you in my next video. And by the way, because I was away for 2 weeks, I'll compensate for that. I'll do a video after this one, like a day after, so that we can try and catch up. Watch it, like it, subscribe it, and share it with others. God bless you.